Most nerve-wracking moment for a beauty contestant is the question and answer portion. There's no way to predict what question you'll get. The only way to prepare is to learn how to think on your feet and how to phrase your answer well.
That's not easy, especially on live TV, in front of an audience that is literally judging you. It's a high-stress situation, and many beauty queens around the world have crumbled under pressure.
That's why this year, for the first time, our Binibinis will be coached on how to best face the question and answer portion of the competition. And to help them out, only the best and biggest name in talk. In fact, he is the king. Tito Boy, ikaw na!
I've always been around the expression.
Love it.
Actually, hindi ako natatakot sa questions. Natatakot ako na mablangko.
Sana hindi ako matawag pag Q&A na. Tapos kami nakita namin, ang dami niyang questions. Sana hindi ako umabot.
Nabablock ka talaga. Talagang nawawala lahat.
The question and answer thing is supposed to be part of a storytelling. It's supposed to be part of a conversation. In conversations, in talking, it's important to listen. Listen. Listen and listen. You cannot talk without listening. You have to listen. It's okay to be nervous because you are people. You're human beings, you're girls. It's okay to be nervous. But what do you do about it? That's the important thing. Practice talking. Practice. And you can do it alone. Believe me, you can really do it alone. When was the last time you won anything in a contest?
I won last year, second in a row.
But that was not winning, it's losing.
No way out ka. You have to answer everything na sinasabi niya.
I think it's still winning because I was able to learn a lot of things, and 1 year of working with the Binibini is still winning for me.
Tapos after that, na-realize ko na okay lang din pala magtanong ako sa kanya. Pag siya yung nagtatanong sa akin, ibabato mo sa kanya yung tatanungin mo rin siya, okay lang din sa kanya.
What's your greatest fear?
Wow. One of my biggest fears is to grow old because people are not kind to old gays. Totoo yun, coming from my heart. Who is afraid of old age? You do? You do? You do? You do? You do? Let me go up there. You do, because my follow-up question is, if you're afraid to be old, why?
Because in all my life, I've been trying to strive to be beautiful, and realizing that soon I'll grow old and have crumpled skin, that really makes me feel scared.
Okay. You see, girls, you will have the whole Gabriela up against you. But again, I'll not blame you, because that's true. I'm hoping na kung meron man akong naibahagi sa mga girls, ito yung walang kapalit ang katotohanan. Meaning, kahit sa mga in moments when you don't know how to answer a question. Kasi ang audience naman forgiving eh, pag nagsasabi ka ng totoo. Go to your core. Go to who you are. Go to your story. It's not anymore, I want to impress my judges. I want to impress my crowd. You know, it's now telling your story.
I will go back to the time I used to wait for my father till he gets home at night, and I wish I could relive that moment wherein I can express my love to him in my own simple ways.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Don't be afraid. That's okay. That's nice.
I would go back to the time when my father was still in the Philippines. Because he's... Sorry.
Oh, it's okay.
He's a pilot in the U.S. Air Force. And I never really appreciated when he was still here. I never really appreciated him around because he and my mother separated.
It's okay. That's okay. I'm sure Dad is watching and he would appreciate it.
Hindi naman din ako natatakot na to show how I really feel. But at the same time, I know I should be in control.
It's keeping the balance. You have to strike a balance. You cannot cry for 5 minutes. You are in a contest. I honor the pain. You see, it becomes very emotional. Okay, give me a word.
Laughter.
When she says laughter, the first thing that comes to mind is?
Smile.
Smile. Okay, this is going to be an exercise. Don't react, and when she says smile, what do you remember?
Happy.
Happy, what do you have in mind?
With friends and family.
Family. Friends and family, what comes to mind?
Going back home in our province.
Home in the province. Home in the province, react.
Love.
Okay. This is what you call the word exercise. It's an association exercise. But this is to practice your instinct. Walang tama, walang mali. Yung word exercise na yan, ito yung para mabawasan yung pagiging calculating natin.
When he came around to me, I was always like, oh, I just want to be natural. Like, I don't want to think about it too much. And I would just say the first thing that came to my head.
When you say red, what comes to mind? What?
Balls.
I love it. Balls. Okay. Balls. Passion. Red. That's menstruation. Don't be shy. Don't be shy.
Hindi ko sila pinakikinggan yung iba, yung katabi ko lang. Parang pag pinakikinggan mo sila, matataranta ka.
Go. Go. Think. Listen. Go. Stop thinking. Just go to the first word that comes to mind. Just blurt it out. Go.
Hair.
Go.
Long.
Go.
Black.
Go.
Cut. Bob.
The shorter the answer, the better in conversations. Sloganize your answers. I'm going now into the beauty contest. Or even sloganize your answers.
To be honest, I feel a little bit intimidated, but I'm trying to remain calm.
That's okay.
Flying will make you feel free from everything.
Having pigs as pets.
That's cute. If Mark Zuckerberg were to propose to you today, would you say yes?
No, he's not my type.
So I had to go to questions. I had to go and give them tips on how to handle questions that have answers. I had to go to questions that are difficult to answer. I had to go to questions that are most often asked. Techniques, in other words.
We were getting so nervous na we were sitting in the back row, 26, 27, 28. We were like, oh my God, I hope it's not our turn. I hope it's not our turn. And then when he said,
I'll just do a couple of girls and then we'll do the rest in the next session.
yes.
Iba yung second session. That should be more cruel. Kasi ito yung unforgiving moments. And I realized that my deadline, my date, my contest, my judges.
What makes me happy? My biggest problem was
One thing I like the most about women.
Can I say anyone?
I want to be an eagle because I want to fly high.
Pagtatawanan ka na nun. My advice for you, huwag ka mag-Ingles. Tagalog ka.
Kanina, siguro mas mahigpit lang siya na konti lang.
If I have to choose, I'll choose ang pinakamahal na bagay na binili ko. On a bad day, what I usually do is...
I don't think that religion should be an issue in terms of marriage because the difference could also be a good foundation to a good marriage.
Oh, ganda naman.
He really cares for us. That's why he may seem strict at times, but I wouldn't say he was harsh.
Ang gandang pakinggan. That's a winner. Lovely. Ang galing mo. Beauty contest man o hindi, the best way to answer a question is from the heart. Are you afraid to grow old?
No.
Bakit?
Because it's part of our life, and we just borrowed our life from God, and I am ready to face it.
If there's nothing in your brain, if you have no context when you speak, no one takes you seriously. But if you're smart, you're always first in when the door opens.
I believe in divorce because change is inevitable. So if two people no longer share the same feelings, then I believe it's right for them to get a divorce.
To answer if the girls are ready, you're never ready for war. I wish I had more time with them. I am truly home in these sessions because this is the closest I can get to being a beauty queen.
Ibang klase talaga si Mr. Boy Abunde, no? You can learn so many practical lessons, and I'm sure that everyone will definitely learn something from those. And I'm sure our candidates did as well.
And the way Tito Boy put his heart into this workshop, I'm confident our Bini Binis will really do well. In the first place, they wouldn't be part of this pageant if they didn't have the substance behind the beauty.
So true. But right now, the excitement heats up because it's time to find out who won the special award for Best in National Costume. Mga kapamilya, who is this stunning Binibini? And this year's Best in National Costume Award goes to
Binibini 8, Nicole M. Schmitz.
Congratulations to our winner. Mga kapamilya, next on April 15,
this has always been the home of the Binibining Pilipinas pageant. But come Coronation Night, this home also turns into a battleground of the fiercest beauty queens.
That's right, and we all can't wait for that. Mga kapamilya, we hope to see you all next week at the Binibining Pilipinas 2012 Coronation Night, happening here at the Big Dome and only aired on ABS-CBN. Magandang gabi po, mga kapamilya.